Hello guys, my name is Mohammed Ahmed Khan. Today I'm going to make a tutorial video of how we can prepare a Morse code for your first name. So first of all, we need these jumper wires. This black wire is connected to 3.3 volt of photon, and whereas this red wire is connected to ground, as you can see that on the board. And this blue wire is connected to digital pin 6, which corresponds to this LED, and we have connected this resistor as well. So to prepare a Morse code, we need to translate a code. So here's that international Morse code Morse code translator, which we can use to translate a code. So as you can see, each letter is corresponding to dash or a dot. So we can represent these dash and dots on through our code. So each dot can be represented by a short blink, whereas the other dash can be represented by a bit longer blink. So here I've prepared the code for it. So as you can see, my name is Ahmad. So first letter of Ahmad is A. So A is represented by dot and a dash. So what I've done here is, this is representing a dot. The selected code is representing a dot. As you can see that the blink is a bit shorter, and whereas this code is representing a dot, and this code is representing a dash. So this whole code will represent our letter A, this one dot and this one dash. So similarly, I can do the same thing for the other letters. This one represents H, and this one represents M, this one represents E, and the last one represents the D. So what I've done here is, so for each dot and dash I've created a code, and later on I've just copy pasted the same thing. So I've created this code for dot, which represents a dot, which means a shorter blink as compared to the dash, which is a little bit longer blink than dot. So now if we go to our next letter, H, so this represents 4 dot, as you can see it over here. So what I've done here is, I've just copy pasted this dot code, selected code, 4 times over here for H, and we got our letter H represented by Morse code. So I've done a similar thing for the rest of the letters with the help of this Morse code translator. And then what I did is, I'll upload this. I'll now connect this to my laptop. I'll send a signal from here. We'll connect our photon to our laptop, and once it is connected, we can see this light, cyan color light over here, which shows that device is connected. So now we'll upload our flash our code over here. You can see that over here is flashing code. Yeah, and now you can see that over here. So this is now LED blinking for our first name in through Morse code. So that's how we do our Morse code. I hope you guys got it. Thank you.